Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 243. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 1, 4, no help here, 1, 4, 9, 4 here, so 1, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 4. So our 3 can't be here or here, so it must be here. That 3 makes this our 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 6. 1 and 6 here means this is our 4. No help here, so 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got the 4 here, so 1, 6. 4 here, 4 and 6 here. Means this is our 1, 6, 4. That 4 makes this our 1, 9, 4. And that 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this top row, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got the 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got the 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.